Mulai ya. Bentar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 10. We want and my partner it is Dewi Tania. We want to present about an analysis of error in thesis entitled Multimodal Analysis in COVID-19 Advertisement from Minister of Health by Yogi Perdana. And then the first material will be explained by myself. It is about omission. The first sentence is but of all that the most popular and most effective is using internet media. And then the correct sentence we must add the before internet media because the is like sesuatu yang pasti gitu kan. And then second is in humans corona caused by respiratory infection ranging from the common cold to more severe illness. Then the correct sentence we must add to be is before cause. Dan sini kekurangan hanya tambahin is supaya mengubah makna juga soalnya. Then the third is multimodal is chosen in this research because this is new way to communicate with others. Then the correct sentence we must add as after others. Karena others di sini nggak cuma satu, others-nya itu banyak. Then the primary announcement is the phrase in the big font, including the surrounding words or phrase that from an unit. Jadi sini tambahin the, artikel the before primary announcement. Di sini bersifat pasti the. Di sini pengertian kan. Nah, dan kelima law function as liaison and the focus public attention on specific part in law. Jadi di sini tambahin complement of before law. And then linguistic relies stroke from of a brand name or trademark. Tambahin ini artikel the lagi before from. And then 7 is representation analysis falls into two categories. It is narrative and conceptual in the sense of the relation of process which identify participants doing and happenings. Nah, di sini tambahin artikel before process. Karena di sini kalau atau an itu bersifat yaitu tidak pasti dan juga bisa juga menunjukkan sebagai singular. And then 8 itu is formed by a vector to the receiving participant which is called phenomenon. Nah, sini juga tambahin artikel lagi. Karena fenomena itu kan bersifat tidak pasti juga. Dan 9 is the aim is what is with respect to variables or conditions the situation. Jadi the correct sentence masukin kata in karena ini merubah makna juga kalau misalkan nggak ada in-nya. Jadi kasih in. Karena artinya kalau yang ada in itu tujuannya adalah apa adanya. Sehubungan dengan variabel atau kondisi dalam situasi. Kalau nggak ada kata dalamnya kan variabel atau kondisi situasi tersebut kurang. Then 10 the lead of this picture the most silent image. Sini tambahin to be is karena juga merubah arti ya. Bagian depan gambar ini kalau nggak ada is itu nggak ada adalahnya kan, jadi kurang gitu. Jadi tambahin to be is. Dan 11 washing hands activity shown on the display here. Di sini hands-nya bukan berarti ada dua, itu bukan jamak, tapi hand is ada komanya gitu. And then 12, the leader of this image is qualities image because it is the main focus of attention that attract attention of viewer while watching the ads. Sini tambahin artikel the lagi karena bersifat pasti di sini. Sininya. Then the next material will be explained by Dewi Tania about the addition. Time is yours, Dewi Tania.
Okay. Okay, for addition, in page 4, the incorrect sentence, the first is there is here, this study presents a video that has been screenshot into an image as example to be analyzed. Why I cut the is in image? Because as we know that the article or an is just an exposed with a singular noun that is not specific. And then if using or an is not maybe followed by in mind that the article or an is not uncountable nouns. Jadi saya jelaskan dulu. Jadi setahu kita artikel atau enggak an itu disandingkan dengan kata benda tunggal atau singular nouns-nya itu yang enggak boleh yang tidak spesifik. Nah, jadi perlu kita ingat juga kalau artikel atau an itu nggak boleh diikutin dengan kata benda yang nggak bisa dihitung, uncountable nouns. Jadi kenapa s-nya dibuang? Karena penggunaan an itu kan nggak dibolehin mengikuti yang uncountable. Okay, the second is there is here the study present a video that has been screenshot into an image as example to be analyzed. Nah, kenapa to be analyzed ini nggak boleh ditambahin be? Karena penggunaan to be itu penggunaan to be itu hanya digunakan untuk simple present simple present tense sama present continuous tense. Sedangkan analyze ini penggunaannya itu simple past tense. Jadi be-nya dihilangkan, dijadikan to analyze. And then the third is then there is a sentence that is written in red and in bold. Sebenarnya nggak ada penggunaan yang salah karena ada pengulangan kata gitu, that is-nya jadi that is-nya tuh di-missingkan gitu, dihilangkan. Okay, and then the fourth is in this process there is a reaction between the participants who is realized through the eye line of a participant. Nah, jadi yang diubah Jadi kenapa di participants ini enggak nya dihilangkan? Kan sudah dikatakan tadi penggunaan atau an itu kan nggak boleh adanya countable, yang sesuatu yang lebih dari satu gitu kan. Jadi nya karena partisipan itu kan merujuk pada sesuatu yang banyak gitu. Jadi nya dihilangkan. And then the next is there is downloading the advertisement to be analyzed. Nah, sama aja yang kayak tadi saya jelaskan kenapa to be, kenapa be-nya hilang, karena analyze-nya ini kan past tense, sedangkan di to be tidak boleh menggunakan past tense. And then the next is watching and examining carefully the video section content on advertisement. And then the correct one is watching an example careful the video section content on advertisement. And then the next is do screenshot on the data that was originally in the form of video into several images. And then the correct one is do screenshot on the data that was original in the form of video into several images. Kenapa originalnya diubah menjadi original? Karena dalam waktu kita mengartikan sentence tersebut itu harus menggunakan originalnya gitu, bukan semulanya itu editionnya. And then the next is nevertheless the value of the advertisement did not decrease on its advertisement. And then the correct one is nevertheless the value of the advertisement did not decrease on each advertisement. And then the next is the circumstance in frequency which mainly focus in how is important to wash their hair regularly. And then the correct one is the circumstance in frequency which mainly focus in how is important to wash their hair regularly. And then the last is it is explained that people who feel that their bodies are not in a good condition. And then diubah lagi, the correct one is it explains that people who feel that their bodies are not in good condition. Okay, the next there is misformation will be explained by Chandra. For Chandra, time is yours.
Yeah, thank you. So this is misinformation. The second one is the coronavirus is a large virus that can cause disease in animals or humans. The correct sentence is the coronavirus is a large virus that can cause disease in animals or humans. Jadi di sini cuma karena spasi doang, seharusnya gabung gitu. And then the second is this advertisement was published by the Minister of Health through Metro TV and republished by one of YouTube's. Nah di sini YouTube-nya misah yang incorrect, correctnya itu gabung. And then tiga here this study present a video that has been screenshot. Nah, ini kasusnya sama aja, misah dia. Yang benar itu screenshot gabung. And then the element of print advertisement are divided into two. Nah, sini dia typo dia. Divided harusnya. Divided. And the main linguistic elements which referral and give the essence of the meaning contained in an advertising a message, text, or announcement. Di sini juga ada typo, kelebihan kata i. Seharusnya contain, ini contain dia di sini. And then the next.
Okay. In the page 22, there is sentence. This process is to some extent similar to attribute process in SQL transcivity system. And then the incorrect one, and then the incorrect word if there is, and then is changed to are. These processes are to some extent similar to attribute process in Israel transitivity system. And then the next is in page 13.7. When the process have been gotten, the participant also can be found. And then it have in the word have, it's incorrect, and then it changed to has. When the process has been gotten, the participant also can be found. And then the next is in page 13.7 again. Siaga is the material process because it needs human being to do the action. The word is, it's incorrect, and Chang with it. Siaga is the material process because it needs human being to do the action. Okay, the last is there is disorderly. In page 36, the incorrect sentence, two elements consist of this clause. They are process, material, and the process. And then the correct sentence is this clause consists of two elements. They are process, material, and the process. And then the last is the lead of this picture is the most silent image because it is the attention of main focus to it that attract the viewers. Jadi the correct sentence-nya, the lead of this picture is the most silent image because it is the main focus of the attention to it the attracts the viewers. Okay, back to moderator.
Okay, thank you. Maybe enough from our group. Any question? If there are no question, maybe enough from our group, and I say thank you for the attention. And then the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wes, saya lupa lagi ngasih link ke Mister.